morning students. Last class we discussed about set operations, complement of a set, union of two sets, intersection of two sets, set difference and symmetry difference. Let us recall that one now. Complement of a set. In a complement of a set, we are taking an universal set under and set A, which are not in A. The elements which are in the U, not in A, we'll call that one as a complement of a set. Union of a set means we have to combine and write, we have to take a two sets A and B, then we have to combine and write that A and B, A and B. Next, intersection of a sets. Intersection of a sets means we have to take two sets A and B, then in that A and B we have to write the common elements. Set difference also, we have to take two sets A and B, the elements which are in A, not in B, we call it as a minus B. Now let us see the complement of a set, how to draw the Venn diagram for this complement of a set. So here we are taking an universal set, U and set A. So the universal set we are taking in this box. So we are represented by, it's represented by U. Then the elements, what are all the elements in the A? It is in this circle. So it is represented by A. So let's take an example. U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 7. So A dash is equal to, how will you find, we will find A dash? What are the elements? It's not in A, we have to write it as a dash. So 1 is not there, so 1, 3, 5. A dash is equal to 1, 3, 5. So how to write these elements in this by Venn diagram means first universal set. This box fully contains a universal set. A, this circle contains the set A. So first we have to write that what are all the elements in the set A. 2, 4, 6, 7. So 2, 4, 6, 7 we have to write it. Next we have to write the universal set U. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So already we written the elements 2, 4, 6, 7 in the set A. So the remaining elements we have to write it in this. So what are all the elements? 1, 3, 5. So A dash is equal to 1, 3, 5. So this is the portion A dash. The shaded region represents A dash. Next, union of two sets. So union of two sets are how we have to represent it by a Venn diagram. Union means A, we have to take a set two sets A and B. In that A and B we have to combine and write A and B. So both this A element also it will comes and B elements also it will come. So A union B represent like this. Next, intersection of two sets. Intersection of two sets also we have to take two sets A and B. Then in that A and B we have to write only the common elements. So common elements means in A and B both the sets we are having some elements common. That elements we will be writing in this portion. So this is a intersection B. Next, difference of two sets. So A minus B, B minus A, how to represent it in a one diagram. So first A minus B. A minus B means the elements which are all the elements in A. It's not in B, so that one we have to shade it. So the elements which are in A means, so this circle fully contains A element. This circle fully contains B elements. Here also B elements will be here. So but here what are all the elements we are writing? Here these elements it will be in both A and B. So we should not shade this one. We have to shade only this A part alone. This is a minus B. Next, B minus A means the elements which are in B, which are not in A, we have to write that one as a B minus A. So B minus A means here what are all the elements we are writing? This full circle represents B. This elements which are all the elements we are writing here in a common part, that it should be in A also. So we have to shade only the B. This is a B minus A. Next exercise 1.3 la first sum. Using the given Venn diagram, write the elements. Up here a Venn diagram is given. Then by seeing that Venn diagram, you have to write what are all the elements in the set A, B, A union B, A intersection B. First A. So A means we have to see the circle fully. So what are all the elements is there? 2, 10, 8, 4, 7. Next set B. Set B means in this circle what are all the elements is there, that one we have to take and write. So 9, 6, 3, 11, 4, 7. The next A union B. A union B means we have to write the elements. What are all the elements in A and B? We both we have to combine and we have to write it. So A union B is equal to 2, 10, 8, 4, 7, 9, 6, 3, 11. Next A intersection B. So A intersection B means we have to write only the common elements in the A and B. So common elements in A and B is 4, 7. So A intersection B is equal to 4, 7. Next we have to find A minus B. A minus B means what are all the elements in A which are not in B. So we have to write that one as a minus B. So we have to take the set A. A we are having 2, 10, 8, 4, 7. B we are having an elements 9, 6, 3, 4, 7, 11. So in A what are all the elements in A which are not in B? So we have to write it as a minus B. So 4, 7 is common. 4, 7 is also in the set B. So the remaining elements 2, 10, 8 is not in B. So we have to write A minus B is equal to 2, 10, 8. Next B minus A. B minus A means what are all the elements in B which are not in A. We have to write it as a B minus A. So what are all the elements? 4, 7 is a common both A and B. So 9, 6, 3, 11 is not in A. So we have to write it that one as 9, 6, 3, 11 is B minus A. Next we have to write U. U means universal set. Universal set means the set which are the elements contains in A and B, and again apart from that A and B some elements also will be there. That also we have to write it. So U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Next we have to find A dash. A dash means what are all the elements in A which are not in A, we have to write that one. So this 2, 10, 8, 4, 7 is the elements in the A set A. So we have to write the remaining elements as A dash. 1, 9, 6, 3, 11, 12. These are all A dash. Next we have to find B dash. B dash now we have to leave that B. Then we have to write the remaining elements. So 1, 2, 10, 8, 12. This is a B dash. Next question is using set symbols. Write down the expressions for the shaded region in the following. So we have here the Venn diagram is given. We have to write what this represents. So this here first one that they shaded only the Y region. So Y region is only shaded now. It is Y minus X. Next the next part, the next question is they are shaded that universal set alone they are shaded. So X and Y are they leave off. So if X and Y alone is shaded, it is X union Y. Here apart from this X and Y, the remaining portions only it's shaded. So this is X union Y the whole dash. Next we have given the Venn diagram like this. So if it is X minus Y now, we are shading only this X part alone. Then Y minus X means we are shading only the Y part. We are not shading the intersection part. So X minus Y. here x minus y. So here for us what is given means x and y part they are leaving the intersection part and they are shaded only that x and y. So x minus y union y minus x. If we write like this only, we will be getting a diagram like this. So x minus y union y minus x means this is an x minus y union y minus x is equal to x symmetric difference y. X symmetric difference y is equal to, we will be getting a Venn diagram like this. Next, properties of set operations. First one is a commutative property. So for commutative property, we are taking a two sets A and B. That is A union B is equal to B union A. This is one commutative property of union of two sets. So first example, we are taking A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. B is equal to 3, 2, 5, 6. So A union B means both we have to combine and write it. So what are all the elements we will be getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So B union A is equal to B U A, we have to combine and write it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So A union B is equal to B union A. Here we are getting both A union B, B union A, we are getting the same elements. So here the commutative property of union of two sets. Next, commutative property of intersection of two sets. A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. So for example, we can take it A is equal to say 1, 2, 3, 4. B is equal to 3, 2, 5, 6. So A intersection B. A intersection B means we have to write only the common elements. So 2 and 3 are only the common. So we have to write 2 and 3. Next, B intersection A is equal to. So we have to see B and A, what are all the common elements? The same 2 and 3. So this is the commutative property of intersection of two sets. A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Next, associative property for any three sets A, B and C. So associative property, now we have to take three sets A, B and C. So A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. Only the bracket is will differ here. Next, A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. These two are the associative properties. Next, for any set A union A is equal to A intersection A is equal to A. This is an idempotent class. Next, A union null set is equal to A intersection universal set is equal to A. This is an identity class. Next, the set difference is generally is not associative. That means A minus B minus C is not equal to A minus B minus C. But when it is equal means A minus B minus C equal to A minus B minus C means these three A, B and C, these three sets are mutually disjoint sets, then then associative property will satisfy. A minus B minus C is equal to B minus A minus B minus C. Next, exercise 1.4. If P is equal to 1, 2, 5, 7, 9, R is equal to 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, Q is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, S is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. We have to find P union Q union R. So we have to find P union Q union R. So first we have to find P union Q. P union Q is equal to, first we have to write the P 1, 2, 5, 7, 9 union Q. So what is the Q here? 2, 3, 5, 9, 11. So union means we have to combine and we have to write it. P union Q is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Next we have to find P union Q union R. So first we have to write P union Q. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 union R. So what is the R here? 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. So P union Q union R, both we have to combine and we have to write it. So P union Q union R is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 11. The next question is P intersection Q intersection S. So first we have to find P intersection Q is equal to, first we have to write the set P 1, 2, 5, 7, 9 intersection Q. So what's Q here? 2, 3, 5, 9, 11. So equal to. So P intersection Q means we have to write only the common elements in both the sets. In both the sets, the common elements are 2, 5, 9. So P intersection Q is equal to 2, 5, 9. Next we have to find P intersection Q intersection S. So P intersection Q we found it as a 2, 5, 9 intersection S. So what is the S here? 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. So intersection na in this two, both we have to write only the common elements. The common elements are in this two, 2, 5. So P intersection Q intersection S is equal to 2, 5. Next question is Q intersection S intersection R. So first we have to find Q intersection S is equal to, first we have to write the Q 2, 3, 5, 9, 11 intersection S. So S 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. So intersection means we have to write only the common elements in this sets. So in this two sets Q and S, the common elements are 2, 3, 5. So next we have to find Q intersection S intersection R is equal to, Q intersection S is 2, 3, 5 intersection R. R is equal to 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. So the Q intersection S intersection R is equal to, intersection means in both the sets we have to write only the common elements. The common elements in these two sets is 3, 5. Next question is A is equal to PQRS, B is equal to MNQST, C is equal to MNPQS. We have to verify here the associative property of union of sets. So associative property of a union of sets means A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. We have to say this both are equal. So A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. So first we have to take this LHS side. LHS side what is given? A union B union C. So first we have to find B union C. B union C is equal to, first B we have to write it M, N, Q, S, T union C. So M, N, P, Q, S. So union means both we have to combine and we have to write it. So B union C is equal to M, N, P, Q, S, T. Next A union B union C. So first we have to write that A. What are the elements in the A? P, Q, R, S union B union C. B union C is M, N, P, Q, S, T. So union we have to combine and write the both. So A union B union C is equal to M, N, P, Q, R, S, T. So this LHS we have to take it as a equation 1. So what we got it? A union B union C is equal to M, N, P, Q, R, S, T. Next we have to take RHS. RHS, what is the RHS? A union B union C. So first we have to find A union B. A union B is equal to, what is A? P, Q, R, S, union B. So M, N, Q, S, T. So we have A union B means both we have to combine and we have to write it. So what you will be getting? M, N, P, Q, R, S, T. So next we have to find A union B union C is equal to, A union B is M comma N comma P comma Q comma R comma S comma T union C. What is the C here? M, N, P, Q, S. So A union B union C means this both we have to combine and we have to write it. So what you will be getting here? M comma N comma P comma Q comma R comma S comma T. So this equation we have to mark it as a 2. Now see this equation. What is the LHS? We got it as LHS is equal to M N P Q R S T. We mark the equation as a 1. Here this RHS RHS side we are getting M N P Q R S T. We are marking this equation 2. First from 1 and 2. So from 1 and 2, A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. Next question is A is equal to minus 11 root 2 root 5 7, B is equal to root 3 root 5 6 13, C is equal to root 2 root 3 root 5 9. You have to verify this associative property of intersection of two sets. Associative property of intersection of two sets means first A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. This is the associative property of intersection of two sets. Associative property of intersection of two sets. So first we have to take LHS side. What is LHS side? A intersection B intersection C. So first we have to find B intersection C is equal to, B is root 3 root 5 6 13. Next intersection C. So root 2 root 3 root 5 9. So intersection now we have to write the common elements. So what are the common elements in these two sets? Means root 3 comma root 5. Next A intersection B intersection C is equal to, so what is the first A? What's the given? Minus 11 root 2 root 5 7 intersection B intersection C. B intersection C we found it as a root 3 comma root 5. So in this tool we have to write the common elements. Intersection means, so in this tool common elements only the root 5. So you mark this equation as a 1. So A intersection B intersection C is equal to root 5. Next RHS. RHS is equal to A intersection B intersection C. So first we have to find A intersection B is equal to, so A is equal to minus 11 root 2 root 5 7 intersection B is root 3 root 5 6 13. So intersection means we have to write the common elements in these two sets. So in these two sets the common element is root 5. So next A intersection B intersection C is equal to, A intersection B is root 5 intersection C. So C is root 2 root 3 root 5 9. So we have to write the common elements in these two sets. The common element is root 5. So we have to mark this equation as a 2. Next we found that LHS A intersection B intersection C is equal to root 5. We mark that equation as a 1. So from 1 and 2 Both the sides LHSly we are getting only rule 5, RHSly we are getting only rule 5. So from 1 and 2, A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. So here the associative property of intersection of two sets is verified.